Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you around the biggest park in Yokohama, Yamashita Park, and glimpses of Garden Necklace Yokohama. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. Also click the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. And please watch the video till the end. Yamashita Park is Japan's first western garden. This is the most famous park in Yokohama. It is close to the Yokohama Bay area. Everywhere in Yokohama you will find such kind of beautiful flowers and greenery. In this spring season, events such as Garden Necklace Yokohama are held in many parks and gardens in the Minatomera area. You can see the beauty of different flowers like roses, tulips and many more. Many ferries and cruise ships keep sailing in the seashore. The surrounding is very lively. Park is very clean and well maintained. This beautiful park is located near to Chinatown, so you can visit both places and have your fun time with family or friends. People come here to take pictures of this beautiful greenery and flowers. This is good for garden lovers who like to watch the different types of colorful flowers. This is a great place to spend an hour or so checking out the beautiful views of seashore and having a nice walk. Very busy with joggers in the morning. You can find some lovely colorful tulips in the garden. This statue symbolizes a famous Japanese song called Akaikutsu about a little girl in red shoes who went away with foreigners on a boat from Yokohama. They conduct many events, festivals, markets, exhibitions and many more in this park. Usually, during weekends, they have some festivals or events here. The other side of the park is decorated with flowers expressing different themes, like you can see the theme is mentioned in the whiteboard. It looks very colorful and eye-catchy. Every year during summer, they conduct fireworks event here. Over 3000 fireworks are launched from the shoreline each night. It looks amazing. There are international themed parades and other activities during the day. It is fun to watch such activities. During October or November, they organize Diwali festival in Yamashita. Here Japanese artists perform beautiful dance and Bollywood songs. I attended the festival. It was very well organized and they had many delicious North or South Indian food stalls. You could also see plenty of kids running in the field, playing badminton, couples with their kids having picnic, especially during afternoon. Due to the coronavirus, events are cancelled or postponed, so there are quite less people here. Let me take you to the another beautiful side of park. You can easily spend your time watching the fountain surrounded with mesmerizing flowers. This fountain is called as an Indian water tower. It was presented by an association of East Indians living in Japan to thank the Japanese people for their support after the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923. People sit at the bench and enjoy the surroundings. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, share your valuable comments and feedback. Thanks for watching.